بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم. سلام و عرض خسته نباشید دارم خدمت عزیزانی که ما را از چینل مرکز آموزشی مشکات بیننده هستند. در خدمت شما هستم با دومین ویدیو و در ادامه موضوع قبلی که موضوع ما بودن conditional clauses یا جملات شرطیه. As I mentioned you that conditional clauses will be the sentences that they have link with each other, and I taught you the two kinds of conditional clauses. Number one was possible clause, number two was impossible clause. Possible clauses, those clauses that they will be possible, and it includes two types, type 0 and type 1. Okay, type 0. Type 0, first of all, we have to know the structure. It is simple present tense plus simple present tense. It means the type 0 will be simple present tense. The first clause and second clause will be in simple present tense. مثلا جملاتی که شما در زمان حال ساده هر دو بخش جمله چی من کلاس چی ریزلت کلاس هر دویش در زمان حال ساده باید باشد. مثلا یک استاد به یک شاگرد خود میگه اگر تو سر وقت بیایی ما به تو اجازه میدیم. اگر تو کارخانگی انجام میدی و به تو جایزه میدیم. اگر تو خوب درس بخوانی تو اول نمره میشی. این جملاتی هستن که در زمان حال ساده اتفاق میفتن، هم من کلاس و هم ریزلت کلاس. As I have written here simple present tense plus simple present tense. It is the structure of type 0. Now, the example. If you learn English, you can speak with me. If you learn English, you can speak with me. Now, if you think here, learn is first form of the verb, simple present tense, and I put comma here as we studied before. When you start a clause with if, that you have to put comma here between the clauses. You can speak with me. Can is also modal auxiliary verb, and you can use it in simple present tense. Now you can see both clauses are in simple present tense. Number two. It was a positive sentence. Now if you change it to negative, now you can use from do not or does not because they are helping verbs of simple present tense. If you do not come here, again you have to put comma here. You cannot get anything. اگر شما نیایین اینجا شما چیزی یاد نمیگیرین. مثلا در مثال از این ویدیوها اگر شما ویدیوها را تعقیب نکنین باز چیزی نمیآموزید. It is negative sentence. Now, if you change it to interrogative, do you help me? Do you help me? No, you start it with a do. I've written here do because do is auxiliary verb of simple present tense, and also if you change you to he, that you can change do to does. Do you help me if I come here? Do you help me if I come here? As I mentioned you in the last video, that if you change a positive sentence to interrogative, the second clause will come first here. Example, if you think this sentence and this one, that you will start with this one because auxiliary verb is there. Okay, what about imperative sentences in first type 0? Here, call me. Call me is imperative sentence. You will force somebody else, or you will tell somebody else. Call me. با من زنگ بزن. If you get first position, اگر تو اول نمره شدی با من زنگ بزن. It is also type 0 simple present tense. Inform us. If you make a house. Inform us. Inform به معنی خبر کن ما را. اگر تو خانه ساختی. Inform us if you make a house. It is also type 0 with imperative sentences. Okay, I hope that you got something from type 0. We studied simple present tense with three kinds of sentences such as positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. If you didn't get anything, that you can comment us, inshallah, we will help you again, we will answer your questions. Okay, now we will study type 1. Type 1, it was real conditional clause. Present tenses, I have written here tenses, please focus here, tenses. Present tenses will include three tenses: simple present tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense. Simple present tense, present continuous, and present perfect. یعنی ما در تایپ 1 میتونیم هم از زمان حال ساده و هم از زمان حال جاری و هم از زمان حال کامل استفاده کنیم با if clause. Now, plus future tenses. Future tenses also will include simple future tense, future continuous tense, and future perfect tense. I have written here future tenses. Future tenses. Simple future tense, future continuous tense, and future perfect tense. Just I have a suggestion for you. Please, if you have problem about 12 tenses of English, please go once about the videos that in channel that you can watch the videos and you can learn something about tenses. Then you can make sentences that they are very easy about the structures. Now, the examples. If you help me, it is simple present tense. If you help me, I'll help you. Simple present tense with simple future tense here. Will is moral auxiliary verb here. It is the helping verb of simple future tense. Number one, if you help me, I'll help you. اگر تو به من کمک کنی من به شما کمک می‌کنم. اگر تو به من کمک نکنی من به شما کمک نمی‌کنم. If you don't help me, I'll not help you. If you follow us on channel, you will learn something. If you don't follow us on channel, you will not learn anything. Now number two. If you do not write your homework. If you do not write your homework, you can see here do not. Do not is the negative form of simple present tense. If you do not write your homework, I'll not give you number. معلم به شاگرد میگن وقتی تو کارخانگی خود را انجام ندی ما به شما نمبر نمیدیم. اگر تو سر وقت نیایی ما به تو اجازه نمیدیم. If you do not write your homework, I'll not give you number. It is negative sentence. If you are studying your lessons, you can see here it is present continuous tense. As I mentioned you, present continuous tense here. If you are studying your lessons, it is present continuous tense because you can see here to be verb and also studying verb with ing. If you are studying your lessons, I'll be checking your paper. تو در وقت خواندن وقتی تو در حال خواندن هستی من در حال چک کردن ورقای تو خود بودم. This one is future continuous tense. You can see here will is auxiliary verb for future, be to be verb and be in future continuous tense, and also checking verb ing is future continuous tense. The last sentence, if you have not watched TV, it is present perfect tense because subject plus have or has verb 3 here. You can see you is subject, have is helping verb, not is the symbol of negative sentences, and watched is third form of the verb. It is present perfect tense. If you have not watched TV, agar tu tamasha nakuni. If you have not watched TV, I'll have helped you. تو تلویزیون سعی نکنی من به شما کمک. Now, the first one is present perfect tense and number 2 is future perfect tense because here you can see also have and helped is third form of the verb. Okay, if I want to conclude. Okay, we studied type 0 and type. They are real conditional clauses. Real conditional clauses will be the clauses that they will be possible. Now, type 0 simple present tense plus simple present tense. Type 1 simple present, present continuous, present perfect with simple future tense, future continuous and future perfect. I hope that you got something. If you have any problem that you can send us your comments and your questions, inshallah we will answer you. And the next video, inshallah, we will talk about type 2 and type 3 and with mixed conditional clause. Inshallah, I know that there will be new grammars. We will get something. خب عزیزان، ویدیوی امروزی به پایان رسید. امیدوارم استفاده کرده باشین. اگر کدام سوالی بودن، پیشنهادی بودن، ما در خدمت شما هستیم تا ویدیوی بعدی. خدا یار و نگهدارتان.